Hey everyone, this is Nick with the EB Group. Today's video, we're going to talk about interest rates and specifically the rise in interest rates and how that affects you as a homeowner as well as a home buyer. Stay tuned. So let's start by talking about why we're seeing a rise in interest rates, and why we're seeing that is because we're seeing a rise in 10-year Treasury notes, to be exact, which is causing about a 0.5% rise in interest rates. We're also seeing the rise because there's a fear of inflation among the population. Is the Fed lowering the interest rate close to zero and printing a lot of money? What does this mean for us as people looking to purchase or sell homes? So how is the change in interest rates going to affect the market, specifically for buyers? Well, for buyers, you're going to see possibly a slowdown in the market. You're probably going to be able to have a little bit of a better chance at purchasing a home because you're going to be competing with a little bit less offers. Still going to be competing with quite a bit, but maybe a few less, and your offers are not going to have to be exactly at asking price or way over above asking price, which we're seeing a lot now. Also, as a buyer, you're going to see a lot of buyers who are willing to take advantage of these lower interest rates. So we're still going to be competing with quite a bit of buyers on the market, and at the same time, if you are a buyer who picked up an interest rate at one of the lower rates from about 3 to 4 weeks ago, and now you're wondering, do I have the same buying power? Well, that's something you should probably consider contacting your mortgage lender about, because you probably do not have the same buying power that you had 3 to 4 weeks ago with that lower interest rate. If you did happen to get a newer interest rate at this current value, and you're wondering, is it still the right time to purchase a home with my interest rate? You can always, after you purchase your home, you can always refinance again and get it at that lower interest rate that we had 3 to 4 weeks ago. How do the current interest rates affect you as a seller? Well, not much to be said here. Sellers it's still a good time to sell your home. We're seeing values continue to rise. I think the current rates shouldn't have too much of an effect on you as a home seller. You might see a change in the type of offer and how many offers you get, but again, not a big change for you thinking of selling your home at the moment. So how much exactly have interest rates gone up? Again, this video is just for educational purposes. I personally am not, in my group, we are not mortgage lenders, so don't take these as exact quotes. This is just for educational purposes, but we've gone from about 2.7% to about 3.25% in change in interest rate. Now what that means is if you're a buyer who was thinking about maxing out their purchase price with the lower tax rate or the lower interest rate from a few weeks ago, you need to talk to your lender to get a quick update to see exactly where you are now, exactly where you stand with your current rate. It can have a huge effect on how you can purchase your property right now. Maybe you can't purchase a property with the same rate and the same buying power that you had a few weeks ago. Maybe you're fine, who knows? Your monthly payment might change a little bit. Again, that's something to contact your mortgage lender about. The rise in rate's going to raise your debt to income ratio, so you're going to need to get back to your lender, see if you still qualify for the original payments and the original purchase price. So where exactly do we go from here? Well, it's kind of hard to say right now with the current inflation fears, current government printing money. We could see that rates continue to rise just ever so slightly. In the long term, though, I think will likely stay relatively low on the interest rates. Can't say for sure. We could see a bit of a housing market cool off due to this, but I don't think we're going to see like a big stall like some people are predicting. We're just going to see a bit of a slowdown. Maybe first, second quarter into next year, we'll see the market kind of balance itself out. But who knows? And if you guys found this video very informational or have any questions about the current market interest rates, or you guys want to come in and talk to us in person about possibly listing your home or even purchasing at the moment with before interest rates go even higher, give us a call. We'll have link in the description. Please leave a comment if you guys haven't already about what kind of videos you'd like to see us make in the future. Again, we're here for you guys. If it's something that you haven't been able to get answered, we're here. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe the video, helps us out greatly, and we'll see you guys in the next. Thanks a lot.